Welcome! If you're getting constant notifications every time your friends add something to their private story on Snapchat, and it's starting to feel a bit overwhelming, you're not alone. The good news is, you can easily turn those notifications off in just a few quick steps. Let's walk through exactly how to do it. First, open your Snapchat app. Once you're on the main screen, look up at the top left corner and tap on your Bitmoji or profile icon. This will take you to your profile page where you can manage your account settings. Next, in the top right corner of your profile screen, you'll see a small gear icon. Tap on that to open your settings menu. This is where all the customization options for your Snapchat experience are located. Now, scroll down a bit until you find the notifications section. Go ahead and tap on it. Inside this menu, you'll see a list of all the different types of notifications Snapchat can send you. Keep scrolling until you find the option labeled Private Stories from Friends. This is the setting responsible for those alerts whenever someone updates their private story. All you need to do here is uncheck or toggle off that option.